Okay, update for the VFR 800. This may be a step in the right direction, it may be a step in the wrong direction, I don't know yet. One area of the headlight system I wasn't able to fully check, so I wasn't too mechanically inclined at the time, was this area in here. Now I know a bit more, I was like, right, let's get into here, because this might be where the problem lies. And this is the handlebar, like the headlight switch, which obviously controls if you want off, on, just your side lights, etc. They got rid of this eventually. I think I'm starting to know why they got rid of this. Once you've dug in a bit, I don't know if the camera can pick it up in there, but there's two little brass connectors that were in there over each spring, and obviously that would make contact with these two here and jump across cornerly to do what it was. These are pretty dirty, I've tidied these up. It's still a pretty dirty, camera can't pick it up, there's a bit of green and dirt in there. But the brass connectors right here, they're so tiny. If the camera can focus and pick them up. All this goop on my hand. So the camera can pick it up, this black goop. These bits here. This is what they were covered in. It's so hard for the camera to focus and pick these up. These are so tiny. I mean, there's my finger. So it just puts it into perspective how small these are to work with. I mean, these are pretty dirty when I took them out. It's just covered in gunk. So I'm going to clean this up, try and put it all back together. But yeah, might be a step in the right direction. Only time will tell.